Lighting in here is trash, but anyways, hello, good morning. This is day 3 of moving and second vlog. So if you haven't watched the first vlog, the first part of our moving, I just got dressed. I'm gonna work out, but I want to do a couple things first. So I'm going to use this basket to put all the products in here for my bathroom that I'm not gonna need for the rest of the week. So I'm gonna do the hair accessories and under the sink stuff as well as the kids stuff. So I'm gonna try to get all that done because I feel like that's not gonna take that long. I don't have to wrap things so that they won't break. Hopefully that is a good decision. Okay, so this is all the bathroom stuff. So this is everything that was under here. Now this is all empty. And all of my drawers on my side. Well, I mean, we kind of just share. It's not really my side, his side. Because Ramses really just needs like 1 drawer and I need 5. So this one's empty. This one's empty. I'm just going to vacuum those out. And this is Ramses's. I'm just going to have him do his because I feel like I don't really know what he wants to keep or not, so I'm gonna just leave that there. This is already in a basket. This is all my hair tools, and I have like some extra toothpaste and flossers in there. I just didn't unpack this pretty much, so since we don't have that much space, you know, I kind of just left everything in there. This is all my sanitary stuff, and then some toilet bowl cleaners, so I'll take those out right now. But yeah, there's some like miscellaneous stuff in there, and this is just stuff that we use on a daily basis that we're going to use the rest of the week, so I just left that there. And I'll probably end up leaving this basket here, that way I can throw all this stuff in here when the day comes. These are just allergy pills, I'll just throw them in there. My makeup, I'm going to pack that. I'm just going to leave out a makeup bag so I can do like quick makeup if I want to. bags. 4.
All the top.
Proud of you.
All the top.
Wow. Oh, you zip tied it. Wow. Shoes? Shoes are gone.
Shoes.
Wow. It's your last time leaving the apartment to go to work.
Oh yeah, really, huh?
Yeah.
That was fast.
Yeah, and your audience is out here waiting for you.
Hey, you want me to go down and be like...
He's going to work.
And we're gonna watch it go.
Oh, okay.
We're in an apartment.
They watch him go down the hallway.
Oh, that's so cool.
Bye.
Hi, Dudu.
Sit.
Right. Peace in the middle.
Love you. Love you.
Love you too.
Maybe say, Mom. Say, I love. Say, love you. You. She said it. She said, I love you.
Come on, crazy. I'm gonna close the door. Bye. Hello, welcome home. Shut the door. Alright, so all this I need a bin for to put it in. So I just put it over here. I need to still like saran wrap or wrap up or whatever those to put them in bins. But Rams is getting more bins today. And I'm going to be able to, oh, there's another saran wrap. I was looking for that. I'll be able to pack up the rest of the kitchen stuff. And I have everything in here, so I just need bins for all this stuff, but it's gonna be pretty simple. Like, see, I need to pack this into a basket or something. This is the junk drawer. You know, we still have stuff down there. So it's mostly just the bigger things that need a bin that I don't necessarily can really like pack without a bin, if that makes sense. But I also don't need to really wrap it up or, you know, like it's gonna break or anything, you know. But Ramses did some of the clothes. I'm gonna finish that, and then the kids' bathroom is also like 90% done. I just need to get some stuff out of there. I have a bin already. I have baskets, so it's just kind of accumulating stuff. But I'll show you guys what we've done so far. So these are all Mavis's toys. She has been like playing with stuff, but that's why I have this bag here. And like these, they're just kind of open, but this is reserved for her toys, so it won't get confused. This is shoes. This is stuff that was in the closet, so this is just a lot of just like our wedding photos, like photos of the kids, like, you know, cards, mementos, you know, all that. This is just scarves. This is party stuff like balloon streamers. I wrapped up all this. These are our shoe organizers. We put saran wrap and then we put tape on top. I think it looks like Ramses just put tape, but it's fine. They're from Home Depot. We got them forever ago. They're not that great anyways. I just moved the mirror over here. I'm just trying to like create space, you know. I moved the kitchen over. Ramses packed up those shoes, so those bins are just chilling there. This was also, it was in the closet, and I think he just put the hats and everything that was in there, that stuff too. So basically the closet's all done. We already got all the shoes out, all the accessories, everything from the top. The shoe organizers, feeling a little bit better. I'm liking having, you know, a visual of the stuff that we are good. Today, Ramses will help me. We can take this down. I think we're going to wrap this up too, and that way we can just put it on a dolly and like take it instead of having to pack up all the books and everything. This one is the heaviest one for sure because we have the most books. Down here, we just have Mavis's stuff, toys and stuff. So yeah, and then my little plants. I know they're a little sad right now with all the stuff, but here's the kids' stuff. So I've just been finding things and just putting them in here. Like, this is trash. Sissy, when I find rocks, I'm throwing them in the trash, okay? Because if you didn't put them in a bag or somewhere to keep them safe, to me, you don't really want them, so.
I'll put them in a bag.
Okay, we'll get them. They're right here. So yeah, I'm totally, this bathroom's totally done. Like all the, like my bathroom, I did all the drawers. And under here, they didn't really ever have anything but like extra toilet paper. Even on this side, I don't even think they have anything. Yeah, so I didn't have to really do much of that. This is already just filled with bathing suits and our swimming stuff. Would just always have them have their stuff in there. These are just pictures, paper stuff. This closet also, that's also swimming stuff. So those two bins will just go. I'll just put some tape on it so that the thing doesn't pop off, because the lid isn't, it doesn't really like grab onto the container. And everything else, like, see, that's just extra. All this I need like a box for. So whatever I can fit in a box, but everything's pretty contained. And oh shoot, hopefully we don't forget that. And then tonight we're gonna have to throw all this in a bin and stuff, and then you guys will be able to set it up on Saturday.
We're leaving? Yeah.
Well, tomorrow, so this is what's gonna happen, okay? Okay, go. Andale. Alright, so daddy's off tomorrow. In the morning, as soon as we wake up, you guys get dressed, brush your teeth, pack a bag, and then we're gonna go to Casa Grande. We're gonna grab probably some donuts or a cake pop or something on the way. Grandma, and ask Grandma if she can make breakfast. That way when we get there, you guys can eat. Me and Daddy are gonna leave. We're probably gonna go to Walmart, pick up some items that we need for the move. Yes, and then we're gonna go to the house, to our new house, drop off some stuff there. We're gonna go to the utility.
The next day we can unpack it later.
Yes, later. Then we're gonna go to the utilities. So that means the electric and the water. We gotta go to those places where they do that.
Open that pipe.
And they can open the pipe. Yes. So they can do that. And then we're going to get the Wi-Fi set up too. And then we're gonna come back to the apartment, me and Daddy. We're gonna pick up some more stuff, go back, not unpack it, but drop it off at the house, and then go pick you guys up, and then come home. And we will spend one more night here. But then Saturday, that next morning is Saturday, Grandma's gonna come and pick you guys up.
And take us to the house.
And take you to her house, and we're gonna and the movers are gonna come that day, take all the big stuff and everything as much as they can. We're gonna take as much as we can, and then we're gonna go to the house. And then once Mavis wakes up from her nap, you guys should go to the house. Grandma will probably take you guys to the house by then, and we'll be unpacking and pretty much moved in. So
yay!
So that's the plan. So that's why I'm saying that. That's why I'm saying tonight we're gonna put all this in a bin, and all your Lego stuff, all the stuff you guys.
Last day here.
Yeah. So yeah, exactly. Okay, so I just finished editing yesterday and today, just this morning, of stuff that I did this morning, and the vlog's already like 20 minutes. So, and that's with everything like sped up. I didn't really talk that much, but so yeah, I'm gonna just leave it there, and then I'll probably just do the next one once I'll show you guys the house, the empty house tour, and then I'll probably just show you guys like us packing up and all that stuff, and setting up. I'll just do like a time lapse of us like setting up, I guess. That'll probably work out a lot better. We still have that, and we still have the kitchen appliances and like bigger things to pack up, but we're doing really great considering we still have tomorrow and Saturday morning to you know, pack and load up and all that stuff. So yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying these moving vlogs. They're pretty easy to edit, so that's why I've been able to get them up and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And subscribe if you haven't already. Like my videos, it really helps my channel. Comment below, just a little, you know, some good vibes down there, you know. It's a lot. So bye.